arrival of this flight, and the local time now is 25 minutes past 9 in the evening, with a ground temperature of approximately 24 degrees Celsius. And please note there is a 5-hour time difference between Singapore and Jeddah. And charging of portable electronic devices are not allowed during taxiing. And please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the far side seatbelt signs are turned off. Please be careful when you're maneuvering in compartment, as items may have moved during landing and could fall out. And please also check that you have not left anything behind on your seat, in your seat pocket, your surrounding areas, and as well as railway compartment. For blanket, it is yours to keep. You may choose to bring it along on your next flight, or you can choose to bring home with you. And indeed, it was a great pleasure having you with us today. And on behalf of Captain Sudhakar and the entire team, I'd like to thank